What up, everybody? We're back. We're gonna do a grocery haul vid right now to show you what we're eating. So I'm gonna pick it out of all of these packages, lay it out, and show you what we got. What I basically did was we simplify our nutrition as much as we can. We're busy parents. We don't have a lot of time to go grocery shopping or prepare big meals. This may sound familiar to you guys because you guys are probably living the same stuff as we are. So we try to simplify it. So what we did was we basically used everything from our LiveLeanTV.com program, the foods from there. Here's the ingredients that we have that's gonna be able to give us meals from the LiveLeanTV.com program. So let's get into it. So here we go, we got tuna. Now when we buy tuna from a can, we like to buy the best of the best. So we use, one of the brands that we like is Wild Planet. Now Wild Planet, if you look at the ingredients like we always do when we buy things, albacore tuna and sea salt. There's no other preservatives in there. Albacore tuna is a good type of fish, and we don't eat tuna all that often, maybe like once a week. So that's the type we get right there. We also have some organic chicken breasts. This right here is organic turkey, ground turkey. It comes frozen, so we can leave that out. We have organic grass-fed ground beef right here, and we use the 85-15 because it's organic, it's grass-fed, so the fats in it are healthy, full of CLAs. And omega-3s as well. We got some almond butter. We have some raw almonds for snacks. We got some organic brown eggs. We love eggs. So those right there is like the proteins and getting into the healthy fats. We have an avocado. We got a lemon. We have this right here is the salsa. So that's an organic salsa. So one thing with salsa is you gotta pay attention to the ingredients on salsa because sometimes there can be soybean oil in there and just some nasty foods. So if you look at it, we got all organic, just natural tomatoes, you know, green peppers, sea salt, the good stuff, people, the good stuff. Invest in your food, invest in your food. Then we got some organic bananas. We got some organic apples, and I think these, what type of apples are these? I forget what they are. What are they? What are they? Fuji's. Fuji apples. We got some frozen organic blueberries. We got, once again, we got some organic marinara sauce. So this pasta sauce, this is great to add over your meats if you want to add some more flavor to it. It's low calorie. For half a cup is only 70 calories. It's lower in sugar. There's 4 grams of sugar in there, which is on the lower end for pasta sauce. And if you look at the ingredients, all vegetables, essentially. Good stuff. We got organic cauliflower, which we can make a lot of different things. Sweet potatoes. We got broccoli, spinach, and boom, onion. So just real food, guys, like healthy food. And you may be like, that food there looks boring. Like, how do you make good, tasty food out of it? That's when the recipes come into play. We have to keep pounding that into everybody's heads. When you learn to cook with recipes, when you have access to recipes, simple recipes that take 20 minutes or less to prepare using just like 20 ingredients for every single recipe in the program, it's a win-win, guys. So if you haven't picked up the LiveLeanTV.com program yet, do it. Simplify your diet if you want to change your body. You want some more?